It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates convincingly defeating Marumo Gallants. Marumo Gallants number 16 in the log. Junior Khanye, our analyst, for the second time today. First things first, sir. Tentens Malisela. What do you do with him if you are the owner of Marumo Gallants? Before we go into this game, what do you think is going to happen with him?
Yeah, ngoba sengibulisile abantu. Happy birthday to Petrus Motsepe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ngithi ngishilo naku the president lengonya le help abantu abaningi kakhulu. Ngithandaza uNkulunkulu oyi-one lela thama lela. Ithandazela sinamba le. Yeah, President, happy birthday from Junior Khanye himself. I'm very humble. He's helping everyone. Very humble person in Mazelekdeni. When you see him, he's helping so many souls. Yeah, so uNkulunkulu akubusise nomndeni wakho man. Ngishilo na ka president Friday, I think it was ngisho in advance ka Evan Khoza. So udance, just to answer you. Dance going to this game before he was in danger, very under pressure. Team go number 16. And it's only 10 games left. 10 games left. The way you are playing now, it doesn't seem as if you can turn things around.
Yeah.
So he promised a love dance, but numbers don't lie. Unfortunately, status at iDiskiTV Premiership close to almost 60 million. Yes, 50 to 60. A lot is at stake. Gule status at iDiskiTV Premiership. So truly speaking, we are game under pressure. Losing this game make it matter worse. So definitely sure they're gonna let him go. I love 10-10 feature, but 10-10 the type of football that you want to play doesn't have those players that can play the football that he want to play. I think by losing with him, Ndlondlo limaze kakhulu. Understand the strikers kumazulu besingamenzeli next, but these ones lento le football le yafuna ukuthi ibhola liqale the back kube ne build up le middle. If I go on, we keep the ball. Ifuna abantu aba comfortable in the middle, amasoja abantu abane character, and then when the moment is right balidlale forward and join or also score or maybe assist. But the players currently abasela bongema kusho ukuthi bebaqashe ngabo abondlondlo. For me bona botlodisang kune vibe eningi. Umfana is a good player. Ngiyezwa I can say this. I understand ngiyezwa but into eningi ukuthi is a good player kunama team amfuna, but I want to see. Because Dance is playing him week in and week out. But the only player today that came to the part for me, Mahlatsi tried. Makulubelu could see, but you cannot try alone. Uzamile, the first half he try bypassing is a wing away by Yabona Mawebantwin. You can't pass Ndabayithethwa. You need support good to any assistant, but there was no one in the middle first half. Dance, I think truly speaking, you can see match fitness. Good player, but match fitness. He passed sideways. Kuna sideways awenzi la maninga cool. So when he passed abo Mahlatsi, as ngishisa tanga Mahlatsi makuphethe ibhola. Yilo noma ngabheka uthatha ama shot mhlambe noma ibhola belingafiki kube ne deflection okube ikhona okanye mhlambe kube bamfoule. Beka create something. This side on the right nothing. And udance what he was emphasizing, I was shocked. As ngisho ngifan ukudlala ibhola, but I think in Ndlondlo mfethu, you need to be ruthless, especially with last state. Last state you need speed mpra. You need players who will take players on. Ukudlala you want touch play dribbling, the movement of the ball. My player dance up front, away ruthless, our move off the ball. Our supportani, they fight to each other. You understand? Ngikhuluma ngayo otlelisang uMahlatsi nalengwenya le striker. We keep isikhathi eside le striker iziyathola neyo lo card. His job it was to score goals, not to foul players. Akayenza ama runs. It doesn't come short ukuthi mhlambe kube ne dead man run azothatha ibhola, and knowing ukuthi team kaDance is a ball playing team is sitting there doing nothing. First touch is poor. Why is keeping him? Unomuseamedi nyaza kusifeni yakhe, mara is signed to the team. Is there. Play him. He's an experienced player. I'm sure because ukunika something. Angisi ifeni strike smile, but his experience kule position okuyo uzana ama ball player mfaka uzobana something. So Pirates win game emiddle. Tabang Monare today did very well. And Ndlondlo wins the game about balance in terms of attacking a Pirates. Every time Tabang simplifies into Tabang bega fetch ball or winning the ball. Yonke moment they win away, especially in the center. It gives to Ndlondlo. Ndlondlo, what I love about begangayenza izinto complicate izinto. This thing of playing lente yakhe ukuthi ungapha left playing ball all the way diagonal support obani. uthola ukuthi uphasa yes mhlawumbe uthemba luyamfana ngespeed sakhe upule ubani Monapule Saleng makamphasa ngamsupport today beka simplify izinto simple here iPirates is a team edlala similar like njengisho iMamelodi Sundowns when it's necessary yes you can play long ball magne support okanye ubone ukuthi you can run quicker maybe behind you support that but today he did very well up front I think lo mfana lo yabanqeda ngale speed sakhe uSaleng I think he scored a good goal ujoin eboxini uzomthola leyo I think is strength sakhe ama runs wakhe first pole last pole especially think it first pole nale goal leli umonile run yakho icale play move and then lapho uzomthola eboxini but I would love to see him playing nama teammate sometimes akusukuthi when you mawusekhoneni especially engele ngakuvumela you can score dlala nama teammate wakho can you play with ama teammate wakho dlala nabanye abantwana if you can do that I think Pirates can score so many goals today he did well yes he scored but ngifuna ukumbona dlala nabanye abantwana so game management ngifuna ukuyibona going to Orlando Pirates going amagame amanye and another thing kuleka ama-sub we-Pirates amanye questionable kakhulu that's why ngihlale ngikhala nge-coaching understand uyava is if not mistaken 8 games not playing why playing today or prepare for Sundowns again so why Martin always coming as a sub uMartin isapeke kwenzani ngoba lo mfana ushanda kwenzanga next I mean this team being overloading even this side there was nothing that he namhla yikho into beyimspanela uDance phakathi weyenza he brought Ndlondlo nothing much makafaka lo mfana ngathi ushot yes ubonile team ngathi ifuna ukudlala but lo mfana naye not much especially going behind the defense on the Pirates batholile ama chance kunelinye decision whereby uMahlatsi bekumele yenza ngazi why passing with the left he's supposed to pass with the right or taking a shot there a chance bekumele bayithola so truly speaking le sub lawo ngikhuluma ngako Orlando Pirates understand nali yakamsele for what ile ngai understandanga so credit well deserved to Orlando Pirates played very well njoba ngisho especially these players that have identified at the back they look solid today much better from them and yes they deserve to win this game.
All right, there you go. That's Orlando Pirates. Marumo Gallants will be here for Mamelodi Sundowns, Sekhukhune, and now Orlando Pirates Sundowns tomorrow. Will be here, Kaizer Chiefs, Royal AM. Of course, happy again and again and again, sir. We'll be here. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.